Well, do you record?
Yes.
Bring the floor back. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Freddy's Fast Beer Pizza Cooking Show. My personal wish is you to stay in your home and watch this show while recording. This time we'll cook the spaghetti and meatballs.
Freddy, you're supposed to say the wires and eyeballs.
Oh. This time we'll cook the wires and eyeballs. What do we need? Wires. Next. Oh, I need something to say. There's no need to boil or fry any of it. The cold food equals the eatable good food. Eyeballs. It's our end of part storage. I'm glad to borrow the bonus phone. What is happening here? I don't think he'll do it exactly, but maybe who knows, you ask? Isn't the consuming endowites an act of cannibalism? No, and here's why. These are broken. Next. Sauce. The truth is oil. All right, let the expert make his conclusion.
You know what? I don't even taste it.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell for notifications.